I got a snowstorm. Hey, it's my birthday. Oh, Brandon. Yeah, I got the snow up to your knees. It's got a pile of snow behind you there. There's my fence with the snow above it, and wood. Brandon walking out through it. They got snow, wood out right in there. Get that, let's haul it around there to the other side and stack it up. Where we can use it. Little toolbox there with the snow on top of it. New snow. Hello, Joseph. Hello. Hey, look at me. Okay, keep going. He's not even sinking through that snow. He's just staying on top of it. Huh? Oh yeah. What'd you dig up there? Old deer horn, huh? You're getting the snow out of here. Stand out there by him and show us how deep it is. Dig down to the grass. Again. Right there, just dig it down. What do you think of that, Joseph? Have fun in snow? Huh? How deep is it? Hold on. Up just a little over your knee? Oh yeah, sure, make it look deeper. Sun's coming out. Hey, Joseph! Joseph! What are you doing? Yeah. Step out in there. Yeah. There's Joseph's bike, or Sean's bike, something. That's his, it's standing up on its wheels. And that's his handlebar. It's a real short bike. Is he standing straight up?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me.
You walk to Dad.
Come here.
Wait a second, there's something right here.
Oh, hey, there's another one right over here somewhere. Look over here if there's another one buried out there. A little further. A little further this way. Is there another one? Find it? I thought the green one was right there somewhere. Come this way a little bit. Try toward me. Is it there? Alright. Forget it. Must be in the house.